Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. If you are a YouTuber, this video is going to helpful for you. I'm going to show you in this video how we can record our computer screen when we are doing the tutorial or playing a game, and then we are going to show our audience our monitor screen or computer screen. So how we are going to show them our computer screen without the limits and without watermarks. So this video is going to helpful for you. Before we start, I am requesting you, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and then see how we can record our screen. So you want to show your audience what is happening on your computer screen? Did you know you could do that in Filmora 9? That's right, you can. So here is how. Okay friends, so first of all we open the Filmora. Then we go to the top. As you can see here, the record. So if we are recording from the webcam, you can select the webcam. I just showing the demonstration step by step. So this one is my webcam. I'm not going to record from the webcam, so I close this one. Then if you want voice over, record a voice over also, you can record voice over like that. Only voice over, and then you can click the mic button to click the voice over. But I'm not going also the record voice over. Then the second option is the center record PC screen. So once I click this one, as you can see the new pop-up appear. So you can see here the microphone is already detecting my sound, and then you can select the hair frame, your full screen or custom or target window. You can select the custom screen like that. Then if you don't want to custom, you can select the target window where you want target like that. Then it's up to your choice, but I'm going to select here the full screen. So once I select the full screen, I'm going to show you the other setups. As you can see here, the location where you want to file, keep your file once recording complete your video. And then you can select the timer recording also, how many minutes you want, or how many, after how many minutes video should automatically off. Then this one is mouse clicks recording. So you can select here any color of mouse clicking. Once we clicking, the appear the color like this. So I just select here the red color. Then if you want to stop the recording, you can press the F9 to stop recording, and then start recording. It's directly. So let's start and then see how we can record the screen. So I start the countdown is start. So as you can see now is our screen is recording. So for the demonstration I just open anything. Then also you can find here that now the Filmora got different software, the Filmora screen recording. If you want to download directly, you don't want to use your Filmora video editor, you can directly download Filmora screen recorder. So this one is Filmora screen recorder. You can download directly, then you can use it perfectly, as you can see. So this one is Filmora software screen recording. So I install here just for the demonstration. I'm going to show you the how the screen recording and then how it works. All everything is running in the screen recording. So installing the Filmora screen recording, If you don't want to use the, you can use the same our screen recording. Click the recording, and then you can select here the PC screen. And then if you want to continue with the record with your webcam, or you have another camera connected with your PC, you can also record from that camera. So I'm just showing this demonstration is I downloading now. This one is downloading. Okay friends, so as you can see, the already downloaded my Filmora screen recorder. So as you can see here, the Filmora get started. We click the get started. Then you can see if we want to use the camera, then we can also capture. As you can see, my camera is connected in resolution. You can select here the resolution, what resolution you required. Then frame rate also you can require whatever you want. You just select. This one is for the demonstration. I also downloaded the Filmora, but I recording from the other software. So is a demonstration. This one also you can select the custom. Uh, as you can see, the frame rate you can select like that. This one is different. So I put the link in the description, so easy for you, this new software from the Filmora screen recording. Also, if you don't want Filmora screen recorder, also you can use the Filmora video editor. You can take from recording from there also can. This one only the demonstration I download and then show you the separately the Filmora screen recording. So this one is no limited recording screen. Some of the recording software is limited and then got with the watermark. So Filmora is don't have any watermark. If you are registered already in the Filmora, so you no need to register the your screen recorder, or without watermark you can use it directly. So I'm using here the currently my Filmora is already registered, so I using the free screen recording from my Filmora. As you can see, if I want to off the my recording, so I just off, I stop the recording. Once I stop the recording, my video clip also appear here in the my files, and then also appear in our dashboard here in the Filmora. As you can see, so as you can see now is our screen is recording. So for the demonstration I just open anything. Then also you can find here the now the Filmora screen recording. So as you can see already, the just now we recording from the Filmora, our clip is here ready, and then we can edit and use in our videos. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates, and keep supporting my channel. If you have any question, comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you.